You can see, getting it done slowly but surely. Oh man, I'm out of wind. Hope you can see that. Huh? Just got to drive back and forth a few times. Hopefully the UPS man will come down it today, because I got packages being delivered, of course. Oh, come on, baby. Smooth it out. The only problem is at the end, I just gotta pray there's no traffic, because I gotta shoot right out the... Yeah. Here we go. Come on. Work with me here, traffic. And nobody. Thank you, Lord. Okay. 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 Do a little reverse. Okay. There we go. 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 Alright. As long as you keep a little momentum, you're fine. In my car, at least. I got those big wide tires. See right here, it's great. Look at that. Man. It's just them heavier spots. Oh boy. It looks pretty decent though. I mean, I can get in and out here, no problem, it looks like. For now. I don't know if we got more snow coming or not, but oh boy. UPS guy, just hope he shows up, comes in. Alright, I'm gonna park it for a while. Wish me luck, peace and love, and stay warm out there, brothers and sisters.